players contributing good balanced offense para sa kanila. Si Rico Villanueva merong 8 points, si Mike Cortez may 6 points, ganun din si Dylan Ababu. So, a lot of players have been scoring here for Ginebra. As far as their efficiency sa kanilang execution, they've got 12 assists against only 9 for Alaska. So,
Sabi ka sa ano mo,
and look at
teacher
Mike
mo.
Cortez hitting the 3-point shot just as we were saying that it's important for the
Ma-absent
locals
na hindi
to
nagsasabi.
really get involved in the offense while Postman
Masama
especially
pakiramdam,
sitting
ganun.
down.
Sasabihin mo
Ngayon,
naman eh.
napapakita ang mga locals.
So yung floor leader, yung contribution ng other Kings, nararamdaman na po dito sa ating laro. Habang si Cortez may bit-bit ng bola. Tukagiwa, ayan na ang laro ng Barangay Ginebra.
That transition attack, again, the extra pass.
Nagawa for Barangay Ginebra. They're sharing the basketball. Their leader, Mark Kagiwa, making sure that they stay in this ball game. Pero puntahan natin itong Alaska Aces. They had
Game. At kanina si Cyrus Baguio na naka 10 points sa first half. Here in the second half, only 1 point.
So kung ang first half po ay Alaska Aces show, dito sa second half, at least in the third quarter, Ginebra naman po ang nanguna. At nangunguna pa rin dito sa fourth. Kagiwa with that merited shot, giving Ginebra a 6-point lead, 72 to
Passing that ball off to Mark Agiwa. So they've got a good balance on the lineup on the floor right now.
Wilson on Forte, 4 to shoot. Jason Forte, pinasa rito kay Sanitos, 2 to shoot. Tos, wala. Another good stop coming from Barangay Ginebra. Counter-attack ng Ginebra. Wilson, wala lang yung kanyang tira. But he was wise enough to wait for Baracael.
Forte had to look for somebody else to take the shot. Si Sanitos naman, nadepensahan siya. And that's the reason for Alaska's war. Kagiwa nando doon.
Masaya-masaya sila dahil nakahabol dito ang Barangay Ginebra at lamang pa. 14 sa shot clock ng Alaska. Sundot ang pasa pero na-recover ng Alaska. Forte has the leather. Sa loob, pasok for Jason Forte.
Forte had to change his shot pero naipasok pa niya yung bola. That's the athleticism of Jason Forte.
Score po natin 73-68. Ginebra na po ang lamang ng 5.
And they're going to that high post play and then they go low post to KG Cañaleta.
Intis lang ang tira ni KG against Baracael. Chance here for Alaska to trim down the lead of Ginebra.
And Barangay Ginebra, it's too early to celebrate. There's still a lot of time left, even if they open the 7-point lead. Papanat pa itong Alaska. Team with pride. Ooh,
In and out. Sorry, mister, coming from Teniente Tenorio. Kagiwa. Siya may hawak ng bola. Bumitaw ng 3. Venga!
And the guy again who made that play possible, Willie.
Baracael.
Oh, the shot was challenged.
Nailang siya.
Oo.
Kay KG. Kagiwa naman ang may tawag, ang may hawak ng bola. To Wilson. To Villanueva. To Canaleta for 3. Pasok for KG Canaleta.
Yung ikot ng bola, kita-kita natin dito for Barangay Ginebra, playing unselfish basketball.
Dito 79-68, courtesy of that 3 from KG Canaleta. Dito ng Barangay Ginebra. They're up 79-68. Baracael, tumato ng 3, wala. At ang pagmimintis dito ng Alaska, patuloy dito sa second half.
Wala doon. Pero Sanitos, pero wala.
Mintis pa rin,
Oo,
for
mintis.
Sanitos. But they get a fresh 24, Baguio. Parang outside shots ang
Exactly.
dito.
They're not able to penetrate yung inside defense ng Barangay Ginebra, taking outside shots. Nawala yung aggressiveness nila na pinakita back in the first half.
Come on the shot clock for Ginebra. Cortez to Villanueva. Villanueva umatake. Kick out to Canaleta. Canaleta for 3. Wala. Baguio for the rebound. Atake dito ng Alaska. De La Cruz. Back to LA. They're looking for Tos. Binigay dito kay Baguio.
Hindi na
30.
mahanap si Tos, oh.
Hirap, no? Hirap. Good coverage from Canaleta. Baguio, siya na lang ang tumira. Wala. At nakuha ng Ginebra ang rebound.
That's gang rebounding for you. Again, meron silang inside defender to bother that shot inside.
Wilson, binigay dito kay Kagiwa. 14 on their shot clock. Patient execution coming in from Barangay Ginebra.
Ito na naman yung high pick coming from Rico Villanueva.
Open si Cortez. Benga! Umuulan ng tres dito.
13 from 3-point distance. At ngayon dito, puputok na sila.
Habang
Shot coming from KG Canaleta on a vertical leap.
siya
Walang momentum yun, ha?
wala ka buwelo-buwelo.
Wala
Ano?
kang buwelo-buwelo, eh.
Standing dunk.
Oo.
Kung tawagin.
And Canaleta, he's got 9 points in this game. Alam mo, hindi natin napansin. Si Postman has been sitting down all this time, although we did mention it at the start of this period, that Coach Chota Kinsem playing with an all-Filipino lineup that was highly motivated, 19-5 plus dito sa ating fourth period for Ginebra. At nakakuha pa sila ng agaw.
Fast break dito na hinto ni Cyrus Baguio. Counter-attack ng Alaska. Baguio. Tenorio, libre sa tres. Pasok for LA Tenorio. 10 puntos na para Canaleta. To Villanueva. They go inside to Kagiwa. Kagiwa, wala yung kanyang tira. Atake rito ng Alaska. Bumabalik yung laro ng Alaska, pero malaki na ang lamang dito ng Ginebra. 11 points already, but still a lot of time for Alaska to catch up.
They're still looking to set the table here. Time winding down.
Inside to Espinas. 2 seconds left. Pero na-foul dito si Gabby Espinas. And I think they'll give it on na. Kanino binigay? Kay Bozeman binigay. Ano? Tanggal na kami. Pero hindi ako pepetics. Kailangan kong ipakita na I'm a professional. I will play the game. Try to give Alaska as many wins as I could.
Laban kung laban.
Laban kung laban. Patay kung patay.
And again, you see Bozeman now playing the point guard position for Barangay Ginebra.
Ang Alaska naka-zone defense naman po. Cortez pumukul ng tres. Wala. At ang rebound nakuha ni Gabby Espinas. Alaska down by 10. 84-74.
Alaska still a dangerous team. You know, you've got 3-point shooters, they throw it away.
Malakas ang pasa ni Cyrus Baguio dito kay LA Tenorio. LA thought na may iba pang kakampi sila doon, and he apologizes to Cyrus Baguio for not running after the basketball. Wala na pong 4 na minuto na iwan sa ating laro.
And Chiki, what about the change again in the adjustment? You've got Mike Cortez now playing the one spot. Rudy Hatfield is there. So a lot of different combinations being experimented by Coach Sean Pankitsen.
Na nag-pay off naman para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Especially with this guy
He's
with
got 10 points.
10 points already. 8 niyan galing sa third quarter kung di ako nagkakamali.
At saka yung depensa niya against Sanitas has been super duper.
12 po ang lamang dito ng Ginebra. At ang atake ni Sanitos. On the line. Pasok ang kanyang unang free throw, making it
Second half,
napantayan siya napantayan ng maigi.
limited. And look at Rico Villanueva almost making the shot.
Ang gaan ng galaw ngayon ni Rico. Parang hindi sentro Very fluid in his motion. Less than 3 minutes to go in our ball game. Baguio against Cortez. 12 on their shot clock. To Sanitos, 15-foot jumper. Wala for Sanitos. Hatfield. Binigay dito kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa, inahabol ni Tenorio. Naku, nadulas si Mark Kagiwa. Okay naman. Hindi naman na-injure si The Spark.
Init naman niya, suot mo na yan.
Tenorio naman for 3. In and out. Forte, one more
Manggas
time.
pa.
Wala pa rin. Gabby Espinas cleans up the mess.
Hanggang dito yan,
86-77. Siya po ang abante rito ng Ginebra. 2:20 to go.
Naninipis. Tago pa.
15 sa shot clock dito ng Ginebra.
Cover ka pa.
Hatfield against Forte. Left-handed shot. Pasok for the H-bomb.
Got Hatfield scoring.
May naisip
So
ako
many other guys
sa
contributing.
pagdadalaw tayo sa
Villanueva, last 2 minutes warning or rather
Yung-
alarm
alam mo
has
yung
been sounded. Getting some
Get ang dami ng ang ginawa dito sa larong ito. Meantime, Tenorio, one-handed layup. Pasok ni Tenorio against Enrico Villanueva. Siyam na lang hinahabol ng Alaska, 88-79.
Apat. Yan.
Oras po natin, final 1 minute and 29 seconds sa ating laro. Cortez against Tenorio. 10 to shoot for Ginebra. Nakakuha ng screen. Cortez nawala sa kanyang bola. Nakakuha ni Espinas. Atake dito ng Alaska. Tenorio to Forte. Forte wala. Sapagkat sinungkit siya dito ni John Wilson.
That lead is just,
Same cases we saw in the first half.
I think nung nakita nila na kung siya itong Barangay Ginebra, parang bumaba ang kanilang
Sabi niya, pag
will to win.
tumaganda ka na, peace na lang.
I think when they saw that Ginebra started to play its A game, siguro sabi nila, sandali, ano ba ito?
Delikado.
Napasukan natin.
Yung 88-81. Ito po abante ng Ginebra. Final 1 minute para po dito sa unang laro ng inyong PBA Friday.
By the way, binalik si Mark Agiwa when Alaska started to make a run. Here's an offensive rebound coming from Enrico Villanueva. What a job he's done.
Ayaw magpakasakali no, ni Coach Shot, kaya binalik si Despart.
Oh,
11 on the shot clock for Ginebra. 37 naman po sa ating game clock. Villanueva. Siya may tanga ng bola. Pasok na naman for Enrico Villanueva. 12 points already for Rico.
and he can't believe it.
Papangiti, no?
Oo.
Si
Ang ganda na
Rico.
pinapakita niya on both ends of the floor.
Relax yung
You've got to
movement.